Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we've got a showdown between two robot vacuum cleaners that are ready to suck up all your dirt and worries. On the left, we have the compact and mighty Lefant M210, and on the right, the high-tech powerhouse Shark AI Ultra. Let's get ready to rumble. First up is the price category. The Lefant M210 comes in at a wallet-friendly $199. That's cheaper than a night out with your friends, if you have friends. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra is priced at a whopping $549. For that price, it better clean my house, walk my dog, and make me breakfast. But hey, maybe you get what you pay for, right? Next, let's talk pet friendliness. Lefant M210 is marketed as the pet owner's best buddy. It's got a brushless suction port that ensures pet hair goes straight into the dustbin without getting tangled. Perfect for keeping Fido's fur from turning your home into a tornado. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra has a self-cleaning brush roll and HEPA filtration system. It's like the vacuum equivalent of having a personal assistant who not only cleans, but also makes sure you're not sneezing your head off from pet dander. According to reviewers, both vacuums excel in picking up pet hair, but the Shark AI Ultra's HEPA filter is a game changer for allergy sufferers. Moving on, let's talk about navigation and mapping. The Lefant M210 boasts the upgraded Free Move Technology 2.0 with 6D anti-collision sensors. It's like it has eyes all around its tiny body, avoiding obstacles like a ninja. But wait, the Shark AI Ultra is here to flex its 360 degrees LiDAR vision. This thing maps your home with the precision of a GPS and cleans in a matrix grid pattern. It's like the Keanu Reeves of vacuums, dodging bullets and cleaning up messes. Reviewers praise the Shark AI Ultra for its precise navigation, although some mention it can get stuck on certain items. Now, let's get smart with smart features. The Lefant M210 connects to the Lefant app, offering 6 different cleaning modes and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. You can schedule it to clean while you're out, so you come home to a spotless floor. It's like having a tiny maid with a very flexible schedule. The Shark AI Ultra, however, takes it a step further with hands-free control and a self-emptying base that holds up to 30 days of dirt. That's right, it empties itself. It's practically a self-sufficient cleaning cyborg. Reviewers love the Shark AI Ultra's self-emptying feature, making it a favorite for those who want minimal maintenance. Last but not least, battery life. Both vacuums boast up to 120 minutes of runtime. The Lefant M210 uses lithium iron phosphate batteries, while the Shark AI Ultra has a recharge and resume function. So if it runs out of juice, it'll go back to its dock, recharge, and pick up where it left off. It's like the Energizer Bunny with a PhD in cleaning. Reviewers are generally satisfied with the battery life of both vacuums, although the Shark AI Ultra's recharge and resume feature gives it an edge for uninterrupted cleaning. Overall, reviewers find the Lefant M210 to be a budget-friendly and effective option, especially for pet owners and smaller spaces. However, it does have some limitations in navigation and carpet cleaning. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra is praised for its advanced features, precise navigation, and low maintenance, making it a worthwhile investment despite its higher price. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Lefant M210 is a budget-friendly, pet-loving, compact cleaner perfect for smaller spaces. Meanwhile, The Shark AI Ultra is a high-tech, self-sufficient cleaning beast designed for those who want to splurge on the ultimate cleaning experience. Which one will you choose? The budget-friendly Lefant or the splurge-worthy Shark? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean, and keep it fun. Product links are in the description.